Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our solar system? What kinds of worlds could exist out there in the vast cosmos? Indeed, the universe is teeming with mysteries that pique our curiosity, and perhaps one of the most intriguing are exoplanets. These celestial bodies orbiting stars other than our sun are a testament to the infinite possibilities that abound in the cosmos. How do we discover these distant worlds, you ask? Scientists employ a variety of techniques, including the transit method, which involves observing the dimming of a star as a planet passes in front of it, and the radial velocity method, that detects the gravitational pull of a planet on its host star. Each exoplanet discovered adds a new piece to the cosmic puzzle, revealing a universe more diverse and fascinating than we could ever imagine. From diamond planets to water worlds, each one is unique in its own right. Today, we're going to delve into the top 10 most fascinating exoplanets discovered so far. Kicking off our list at number 10 is 55 Cancri E, also known as the Diamond Planet. This exoplanet, located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, is a gem in more ways than one. It's twice the size of Earth and 8 times as heavy, but what truly sets it apart is its composition. In stark contrast to the rocky and water-rich environment we're accustomed to on Earth, 55 Cancri E is incredibly carbon-rich. In fact, it's so carbon-heavy that scientists speculate it may contain vast amounts of diamonds. Yes, diamonds. You heard that right. This dazzling planet could be a literal treasure trove sparkling with these precious stones. This is due to the planet's high-pressure environment, where carbon can crystallize into diamond. So, while we're here on Earth digging miles into the ground for a small diamond, there's a whole planet out there that could be teeming with them. Imagine a world where diamonds are as common as rocks are on Earth. Coming in at number 9 is GJ 1214b, a planet that is essentially a vast ocean. Just imagine, an expanse of water stretching as far as the eye can see, with depths unfathomable and mysteries untold. This is not your typical beach vacation spot, folks. This intriguing exoplanet, also known as the water world, is composed primarily of water. Yes, you heard it right, water. Unlike Earth, where water covers about 70% of the surface, GJ 1214b takes it to a whole new level. Its unique composition makes it a fascinating subject of study for scientists, providing insights into how water-based ecosystems can exist in extremities. But here's the catch. This water is not like the water we have on Earth. It's a strange high-pressure form of ice called Ice 7, which exists at temperatures that would typically melt regular ice. So while GJ 1214b is a water lover's paradise, don't pack your swim trunks just yet. At number 8, we have Gliese 436b, a planet where ice burns. Imagine a world where the rules as we know them are flipped on their head. Welcome to Gliese 436b, a curious exoplanet located about 33 light-years away from us. This Neptune-sized planet is covered in a special kind of ice known as hot ice or Ice X. Now you might be wondering, how can ice possibly burn? Well, the answer lies in the extreme conditions on Gliese 436b. The planet's high temperatures, which can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and its immense pressure, create a unique form of water ice that remains solid despite the scorching heat. This hot ice is not like anything we have on Earth. It's a paradox that truly challenges our understanding of physics. So, there you have it, Gliese 436b, a world that defies our common understanding of physical states. Number 7 on our list is TRES 2b, the darkest exoplanet ever discovered. Now when we say dark, we are not talking about a shade of gray. No, TRES 2b is so dark that it reflects less than 1% of the sunlight that reaches it. Imagine that, less than 1%. That's darker than coal, darker than black acrylic paint, and certainly darker than anything we're used to seeing here on Earth. So what makes TRES 2b so incredibly dark? Well, scientists believe it's due to the absence of reflective clouds combined with light-absorbing chemicals in its atmosphere. These conditions create a world of darkness that's almost difficult to comprehend. However, despite its dark exterior, TRES 2b is not completely invisible. When viewed from a certain angle, it emits a faint red glow, much like a burning ember in the night sky. In the cosmic array of exoplanets, TRES 2b is truly the black sheep. Number 6 is Kepler 16b, a world where you can witness a double sunset. Picture that, 2 suns setting at the same time, casting dual shadows as they descend. This is no ordinary planet, my friends. Kepler-16b orbits two stars, not one, in a binary star system. So what does this mean for the planet's day and night cycles, you ask? Well, it's a dance of light and darkness, with periods of near-constant daylight when the stars are on the same side of the planet, and darker periods when one star eclipses the other. And the climate? It's as complex as you'd expect for a planet with two suns. The temperature can vary dramatically depending on the position of the stars. But one thing's for sure, with those double sunsets, every evening would be a spectacle. Kepler-16b, a sight straight out of a science fiction novel. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Upsilon Andromedae b, a planet that spins on its side. This exotic exoplanet, located in the constellation of Andromeda, boasts a unique feature that sets it apart from its celestial neighbors. Unlike Earth and most other planets that spin upright, Upsilon Andromedae b has a tilt of nearly 90 degrees. This sideways spin means the planet experiences extreme seasons, far beyond anything we see on Earth. Imagine a winter that lasts for decades, followed by a summer of equal length. The weather patterns on this planet are as extreme as its seasons, with storms that would dwarf our largest hurricanes. The tilt also results in different day-night cycles. Part of the planet basks in continuous daylight for years, while the other half is plunged into prolonged darkness. Upsilon Andromedae b, a topsy-turvy world unlike any other. At number 4, we have HAT P7b, a gas giant with a wild weather system. This is not your average exoplanet. HAT P7b, a cloudy hot Jupiter, boasts weather conditions that are no less than extreme. Imagine winds blowing at speeds that put Earth's hurricanes to shame, and not just any winds. These are winds carrying clouds made of corundum, the very mineral that gives us rubies and sapphires. Yes, you heard it right. Instead of the usual water vapor, this exoplanet's sky is filled with precious gemstones. Picture a storm of sapphires and rubies raging across the sky, a spectacle that is as terrifying as it is beautiful. But don't get too excited about the prospect of a gemstone shower. The temperatures on this gas giant are so scorching, they make our hottest summer days look like winter. HAT P7b, a planet with a weather forecast that's truly out of this world. Coming in at number 3 is tidally locked exoplanet TRAPPIST-1d. This fascinating celestial body stands out due to its unique phenomenon of tidal locking. Picture this: one side of the planet constantly faces its star, basking in never-ending daylight. Meanwhile, the other half is trapped in an unending shroud of darkness. This results in a stark contrast between the two hemispheres. Imagine standing on the border of these two halves, one foot in perpetual daylight, the other plunged into eternal night. It's a surreal scenario that represents the extraordinary variations in the universe. Yet, amidst this extreme dichotomy, there lies a thin strip of land where day meets night, a place of eternal twilight. This creates a band of moderate temperatures, potentially suitable for life as we understand it. So, if you're ever in the neighborhood of the constellation Aquarius, about 40 light-years away, don't forget to check out TRAPPIST-1d, the planet of eternal twilight. Number 2 is PSRB 162026b, the oldest known exoplanet in our universe. Nestled in the constellation of Scorpius, this celestial body is an astonishing 13 billion years old. That's nearly 3 times the age of our solar system. Astonishing, isn't it? This Methuselah of celestial bodies, as it is often called, orbits a peculiar pair of dead stars in the crowded core of a cluster of more than 100,000 stars. Its existence provides tantalizing clues about the history and evolution of the universe. Imagine PSRB 162026b was formed less than 1 billion years after the Big Bang. It has silently borne witness to the entire evolution of the cosmos, from the first stirrings of starlight to the formation of galaxies. It is more than just a distant planet, it's a living chronicle of cosmic history. Just think, what tales could it tell if it could speak? PSRB 162026b, a silent witness to the cosmic history. And finally, number 1 is Kepler 452b, also known as Earth's cousin. This intriguing exoplanet, nestled in the constellation Cygnus, is approximately 1.5 times the size of our home planet. What makes it particularly captivating is its orbit. Kepler 452b orbits its star in what's known as the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to potentially exist. Another striking similarity with Earth is that Kepler 452b completes an orbit around its star in about 385 days, almost identical to our own annual trip around the Sun. This exoplanet could hold the potential for life as we know it. given the right conditions and elements. Of course, we still have a long way to go before we can confirm this possibility. But isn't it exciting to consider? Kepler 452b, perhaps the most tantalizing hint yet of a second Earth. So there you have it, the top 10 most fascinating exoplanets discovered so far. From a world with a diamond core to a planet with perpetual night, our journey through the galaxy has revealed a universe teeming with extraordinary oddities. Each one of these celestial bodies, a testament to the vast diversity and splendor that exists beyond our earthly confines. The burning ice planet, the water world, the dark world, and the double sunset planet, each one unique, each one a marvel of cosmic proportions. Yet, the search continues. With every new discovery we inch closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Our exploration of these distant worlds, these exoplanets, is just beginning. The cosmos, with its infinite possibilities, beckons us to keep exploring, to keep asking, to keep marveling. Who knows what other incredible worlds await discovery in the vast cosmos? Until then, keep looking up and wondering. The universe is full of surprises. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. We're grateful that you chose to spend your time traversing the universe with us, and we hope that you found the journey as fascinating and awe-inspiring as we have. If you're as captivated by the mysteries and marvels of the cosmos as we are, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a galaxy full of content planned, and we'd love for you to join us as we continue to explore the universe. From the burning ice planets to the diamond worlds, from the dark realms to the water worlds, there's so much more to discover. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us as we continue to explore the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and marveling at the wonders of the cosmos.